Here's a real quick one for adding tiles to porches and alfrescos. You always initially have to have the alfresco floor, just that normal slab work down. That obviously has to be drawn, easily done. But if you have to add tiles on top of that, do not draw it again. All you have to do is press Control C for copy, Control C for copy, and you want to go up to this thing up here called paste, and you'll see it won't let you paste right now, and it's so annoying, and it puts you in the wrong direction to think you can't do things like this. But it's just a glitch. It's just a glitch. So you've pressed Control C, you've copied. Just unclick. Sorry, not unclick. Just click off the porch. Just click into a random space. Boom. Now, what's that? There it is. So don't just click paste because it's going to ask you for a position. What you want to do is click paste to same place, and it's just going to make an identical. Hang on. Yeah, wait, is it still there? Yeah. What it's going to do is make an identical floor that you just had, and it's going to tell you it's a mistake because you can't have two floors in the same position, but we'll fix that in a minute. Ready? Boom, it's in the same spot, and it says highlighted floors overlapped. This one's at -90. So all you got to do while you've done it, you've just pasted it. While it's still highlighted, just change it to main floor tiles. Just change it to -80. And boom, you have your floor tiles. Same with the back. You click on the alfresco, you copy it, you paste it. Boom, tells you it's wrong, but that doesn't matter. You put main floor tiles, you raise it -80. Boom, and you have floor tiles. And you don't have to do any other redrawing, so it's very important. This house doesn't have tiles at the back, but it will have them at the front. So yeah, still got to put a slab footing on, but and a roof and some guttering. Oh, while we're here, let's just do the slab footing and guttering while we're in the same video. Slab footing. All I do when I do a slab footing now, to do it real fast, is I quickly remember what rooms are what. I quickly look at, oh yeah, the jut out there, the jut out there, the jut out there. The rest is brick. So cladding, cladding, cladding. I will remember that. Ready? So now what I do is I'll just go to where the house looks like that, select most of it and hide it. And all I'm left with is the floor. I'll just finish hiding a couple of them, and then I can just work freely. I know I can go to floor plan view, but it's actually quicker just for me to do that. And if I forget, I can just quickly bring it back on and go, oh, that's right, it was that bit, and just grab it again. And normally I don't hide those tiles and carpet, but it doesn't matter. All this is still the same, except slab edges now. Instead of them saying 400 and all that sort of stuff, you'll see I've got them written as slab edge 220 and slab edges 230. If you need to make a 240, you can actually duplicate this and go 240, and you can find the profile in the project. There it is, 240, and you're working on a 240 slab edge. I just didn't have them all in there, so I even have the 250 in there, I think 250 as well. So but this one is a 220. That's all we're working in at the moment. In fact, I can probably just delete that and do the whole thing in one hit. Slab edge needs to be 220. Just going to hit tab to do it all, and then I'll just take off the ones I don't want. Like that one, that one, that one. And when I add the no rebate, oh, it's going to freak out there. It's too small. I'd hate to be that builder, having to pour that concrete. It's not going to let me take that off, is it? What if I take off this one first? Beauty. So it's kind of drawn wrong there. I'll probably have to just draw. This is going to have to get fixed up. There's no way they're going to let this happen. I'll have to draw a little extra bit there. Oh well, no one has to see that now. Let's just finish off this. We need some slab with no rebate. You'll see I've got drop edges in there now too. I'll explain them later. Drop edge 1.2, 1.4, 1.6, 1. It's all there. It's pretty cool. But we need no rebate. No rebate, no rebate, no rebate. and over here too. Boom, rebates are done, looking good, except for this mistake here, which I'll probably just have to model in place a little bit of floor, and I'll just make it pad level, and I'm going to just make a little piece here. So dumb, I shouldn't be doing this. Zero and 400, and it should be probably concrete. And it should be 3. Boom. So that will just be built into it. And I wonder if I can join that. No, I wonder if I can join it outside here. Hey, that's how you do it. Okay, last thing, let's just do this roof before I run out of 10-minute capacity for videos. Let's just grab these, pull them down to the right height. In fact, I can probably just select all because I know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and walls 9. Yes, I'll bring them down to 300. It should be looking good. Let's just put some fascia and gutter on it. Boom, fascia. You'll see all the ridge cappings there. Box gutters are fixed, and there's also a span line gutter as well. That real small one, if you need. That real tiny gutter. But we don't want that now. We want fascia gutter combo. Boom. Cool, looking good. That's how you draw a house. Most of that's done. Alright, oh, this wall here, I can see that protruding through the roof. There would probably be a bulkhead. So I would grab a bulkhead from over here. Let's do this in plan view. It can be done in 3D, but let's just do it in. So I'll just copy even the tag as well. Copy that over to here. Boom. Properly align it. Let's align it. Remember, if you use, let's just pull that out of the wall for a second. If you press align and you use that one, it will move the beam. If you use that one, if you use, where is it? Oh, get out of the way, washing machine. You're ruining my cheat. So align. Oh, it doesn't have one. That's peculiar. Is there one at the other end? There is. Oh well, let's just drag. No, let's not get into that habit either. It's 3.9. Ugh, let's get rid of that room dimension. 3 point. Okay, let's just make that bulkhead 3.9 and be done with it. Length 3.9. Boom. Pull it into the right spot. Like, I know that's not really it, but it's just for the visual. It already says bulkhead. You don't have to write that for a millionth time. The washing machine can come back on. Cool. That's looking good. That's done. Everything's looking good. Everything will look good in 3D too. That's what's magic about all this. All of this, putting a 3D section through any part of this house will give us a good indication of the basic 3D model of the house with everything basically accurate. If you're doing endscapes too, just by aligning these bricks, you can actually get the correct brick. It will be perfect. Like, you do that and you do this and pull that down, it's not actually, it's minus 300, it's actually minus 340. You make it 350 anyway, but the bricks actually end up coming up as close as they have ever been. But we're not doing that now. There we go. Too far. That'll do. Okay, bulkhead in. Oh yeah, and before the video finishes, just trim. Just trim that to there and make it shorter. And that's how it's done.